Let's jump right into this. Now, the actual question asks, how much money did she pay in her 40th year? So in her 40th year, it would be 500 plus 50 times all the years she's been paying 50. Therefore, the amount of money that she pays would be 39 times 50 plus 500, or 2,450. Now, the second question, it says she hasn't been paying the money, she has been saving the money in an account. The question asks, over the 40 years, how much money did she save? The formula goes like this. Basically, we feed it a linear formula with the amount of terms that we want to add. If there is any coefficients in that linear formula, we just multiply it by the amount of terms. If there is any coefficients, we factorize it out, and if there is a variable in it you want to sum up, we just use the Gauss formula, which is n times n plus 1 all over 2. For the linear formula, we basically just use the same method as the first question. Basically, we take the first term, aka the first payment, and we add it with the amount of terms subtracted by 1 times the difference between year and year. So, since the difference is 50 and the initial payment is 500, then the formula would be 500 plus n minus 1 times 50. We factorize the 50, and then after that we get 450 plus 50 times the amount of terms. Now it's actually time to solve the formula. So we put in our linear equation. Since n is going to be 40 terms, we're going to put that into our sum formula, and after evaluating it, we end up with the answer 59,000 euros. We can solve this by using the same methods that we learned from question number 2. We already know about Gion's total payment, and David has to be the same as hers. So we're going to make an equality, and then we're going to put the sum formula with the equation that we don't know the difference is, but we do know the starting point, which is 890. Once we evaluate this and we solve for the inequality, we find out that David's yearly payment is 30 euros. Thank you for watching.